Shalom, Ozark Geek here. Working on a canning project, storage project for cans today. We've got a bunch of cans for food, and if you just leave them in the bags like you get them from the store and set them down somewhere, they get lost and mixed up, and you can't really sort them out and keep them up to date. So the issue that you've got with canned goods is you want to use the oldest stuff first. So last in, first out. We had started to use boxes and stack boxes up. I can put 16 cans in a box on this shelf. This is 8 foot long and 48 inches wide. I could put 16 boxes to a can, stack these 4, maybe 5 high, and then I can put another row 5 high, 4 high this way on the back side of it. But we thought, well, we had where we used to live had a rolling can storage system using a wire rack shelf similar to kind of like, these, with cans coming this way. So we only could get about 8 cans deep and like 6 or 8 wide. So looking at different systems, decided to try building this. So this is a 8-foot shelf. I've got an 8-foot board cut approximately 48 inches, and then I've got it elevated at different points. I got a 1x2 here, a 2x4 laying sideways here, and then at the very back I've got a 2x4 this way that'll give it elevation so the cans can roll. As an example, you can see that one slowly rolling down. And the guides, if you will, that I've got here, these are drywall corner brackets, and I've got them screwed down in a number of places and spaced out. So if everything goes well, I could hold up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cans wide, and we counted them all the way to the back. I can do 31 cans. So that's like 186 cans on this shelf, on this piece here. And then what I plan to do down the road here is build a framework to go up. I'm going to step back to go up another level and build another level this way, so I can store another 180 cans. The concept here is if I can store 186 cans on this, that is 5 to 6 months of cans on one shelf. Different kinds of cans. We got string beans, cut beans, we got pinto beans, black beans, soups, storage meat, tuna, and stuff like that. And then on another shelf I'll probably have it set up so that I could put glass jars laying down and rolling down and organized. But we've got a lot more cans, and I got places to put them reasonably. So we're going to do a mix between the boxes on the shelf here like this and the storage shelf, rolling shelf here. So this is what I've been working on today. Hope you like it. Got any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button there on the right hand side, and I'll keep you up to date on what I've got. So that's what it is today. So shalom. We'll talk to you later. Ozark Geek out.